What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, today I want to show you a social media, actually it's three training products, social media marketing training, okay, and strategies. It comes with the strategies, okay? So I want to cover that today. The link is in the description. You can definitely go there and check it out. Go to www.getpaidfromhome.info and check this training out. All right, so let's talk about it real quick. Our system offers you marketing strategies that have created six-figure earners over and over again. You will get access to the secret six-figure vault once you join the team. We will show you how to use the power of social media to grow your income online. What do you really want to do with your life? Things won't change unless you decide you want them to. All right, so that's true. Okay, if you don't make any changes, nothing will change. So this is for who? For folks that are here, they're struggling and they're stuck. Okay, you're out here already marketing something. Think about this before we even get into that. This is universal, guys. Doesn't matter what you're promoting. This marketing training and strategies that you're going to get here, you can implement in any business opportunity that you have, okay? Because this is social media marketing training, okay? So it's going to help you with whatever your business is that you're trying to promote. All right, so if you're stuck and struggling, trying to figure out what you're missing, this could possibly help you. If you're a stay-at-home mom looking for a way to learn social media, this will be perfect for you. Looking for a way to make some extra income, because it does come with a affiliate side. If you refer or share your link with someone else and they decide they want to buy the training, you get 100% commission. Okay, so imagine what it would be if you could learn these strategies that the six-figure earners are applying every day in their business, not having to worry about making ends meet, or quit your day job if you choose to do that. Wake up when you want, work when you want. Okay, so this is a great training platform. Okay, so three products, so let's talk about them really quick here. All right, so let's see what's included in the training. Focus on the training. What am I going to get? Okay, that's what I want to talk about. If you select this starter level, this influencer brand marketing one, what are you getting? All right, and you can see all three trainings are listed here. As you can see, this is the shorter list of what's included. This one is the longer list, so you decide. Okay, they all come with a different price point. It's up to you which one you want to select, but I'm going to show you here real quick. We'll talk about it real quick. All right, so you get 30 marketing ads and 20 bonus image ads with the starter one, okay? With this influencer brand marketing, you get winning mindset formula, okay? You're going to get the art of persuasion and influence. These are all training, and you're going to have access to this once you get once you purchase it. You'll be able to log into your members area and get access to these. All right, the art of persuasion and influence, a 7-day action plan. Okay, that's key, because most people don't know, well, what should I be doing every day? I don't know what to do. That's what I'm talking about. That's included, not just training and they send you off to go figure out how to implement this stuff and what's the strategies behind it. You're going to get the 7-day action plan. You're going to get the six-figure closing script. So if someone happens to ask you a question or two, you have a script where you can go and find out how you should respond to them. Okay, Facebook marketing strategy, 30 Facebook groups. Well, where can I go on Facebook? I don't want to bug my friends and family. No, they're going to give you 30 Facebook groups to go and join. Okay, not to mention, not just social media, you get Craigslist marketing strategy as well, and then Facebook group support. All right, so that's the starter. Now the elite is going to include everything that I just mentioned, but you're going to get a little more. Instead of 30 ads, you're going to get 100 ads. Instead of 20 image ads, you're going to get 40. All right, so I'm just going to talk about what's additional. There's the Facebook strategy. So instead of 30 Facebook groups, now you're going to have access to 60 groups that you can join. All right, then they're going to give you Instagram marketing training with this one. You're going to get YouTube automation. You're also going to get how to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation. Also, how to create your 6-figure automated funnel. So you see, you get a little bit more, okay, for an extra. The first package is $50. The second one is $150. Okay, so you get a little bit more. Then when you go over to the 6-figure blueprint training, okay, everything that I mentioned, but you get more ads. So if you look here, you get 100 ads here for the middle one, the elite. But if you get the pro, you get 200. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's see what else additional you get. So instead of 60 Facebook groups, you get 100 now. So 40 more groups that you can join where people are interested in making money online. Okay, now with this one, you're going to get YouTube mastery. Okay, so that's different than what you have over there in the middle package. With this one, how to create your 6-figure sales funnel. You're going to get 30 email follow-ups to close your sales on autopilot. That's additional. You're going to get TikTok marketing. I've used that personally. Excuse me, and it does work. Let me tell you, I had tons and tons of people opting into my page when I first started that TikTok marketing. You're also going to get access to the VIP training and live chat. Okay, that's live training that you can be engaged in. You're going to get 30 days of email marketing. Automate your social media growth with one powerful strategy. You're going to get those live trainings, exclusive bonus, and they offer extra bonus hotel and restaurant discounts and vacation voucher. So you get tons and tons and tons of training here, guys. But not just training, strategies on how to implement them and what you should be doing every day. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about, well, how much does this cost? Well, of course, the influencer brand marketing training is $50. Everyone has to pay for their website. There's no monthly fees here. Your website is $25 one time. Okay, so that package is going to cost you $75. The elite training, internet automation secrets, is going to be $175. Okay, it's $150, and then $25 for them to build your website. Then the 6-figure blueprint training is $300. Okay, and it's $25 for your website, so $325. Okay, so again, one-time investment, guys, no monthly fees. If you get the 6-figure blueprint, of course you get all the training. That's all these combined pretty much. Okay, so this is the one that I have, the 6-figure blueprint. That way also, as I mentioned earlier, you can earn commissions with this. Okay, if someone goes to your link and they purchase the package, for example, I purchased the 6-figure blueprint. So if someone goes to my link, I am able to earn $300. I'm also able to earn $150 and the $50. Okay, because these are included if you get the pro 6-figure blueprint. All right, if you happen to just get the elite and someone goes to your link and they want to purchase, okay, the 6-figure, then that will go to your sponsor. Okay, so you definitely want to, if possible, get the 6-figure blueprint so you don't leave any money on the table. But it's up to you. The point of the matter is getting the training, okay, implementing what you're learning here, because they're going to give you step-by-step training and strategies on how to implement this, okay, and be effective with it. All right, that is the point that I'm trying to make here. So social media marketing training and strategies, you can get that right here from this platform. All right, now as I stated, you get a website, you spend that $25, they're going to create your own website for you. It's customized to you. As you can see my pictures here, you can connect your social media link here. They give a little spiel here, and it also tells people how does it work. So you get a website for that $25. All right, guys. Now, so you can see that I actually own the Pro. Let me show you my back office. Okay, right here, see it says the 200. This is my members area that I'm in, my dashboard. I own this particular product, the Pro, as I mentioned to you before. So as you can see right here, here's the 200 ads, all the things that the Pro level gets: the TikTok marketing, YouTube automation, to automate your business with the 6-figure system, the bonus that I mentioned, the hotel and restaurant discount voucher. I have the Pro level. So not only am I telling you guys it's a great idea to get it, but I actually have it myself. This is very good training, guys. If you're new to online marketing, this is perfect. If you're interested in learning social media marketing, but not even that, you've got Craigslist here too. If you don't want to do social media marketing, you can do Craigslist, or you can just run traffic. Okay, how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. So you can run traffic. Okay, and they talk about that in the training as well. How to get paid right here. How to purchase paid traffic. That way visitors can just go to your capture page. All right. Now, one last point. Yes, you'll be able to make instant commissions, and you determine how you want to receive those commissions. You'll specify that, so when they bill your website, your payment buttons will reflect whatever that payment processor is you want to use, whether it's Cash App, credit card, Venmo, whatever it is. Okay, so if someone does purchase, you'll be able to be paid instantly right on the spot. There's no middleman. You're paid directly from the member that joins your link. They're going to pay you directly. Okay. All right. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Again, if you're interested in learning social media marketing, getting some training and strategies on how you can implement the social media platforms, what you need to do, how you need to do it, perfect training for you. 3 digital products. You decide which one works for you. The link is in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Please don't forget to like the video, okay? And subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.